Hello, I'm Cahit Barknozer from Çukurova University Computer Engineering Department, 4th grade. Today we are going to do language-independent text summarizer. I imported NLP stopwords, word tokenize, and tokenize. I used Hunger Games first book as a corpus, the first lines, of course, but I also run it with the whole book. And I translate the first 10 lines to Turkish, but it is language independent, as I just said. I cleaned punctuations. I downloaded Turkish stopwords. I set the Turkish stopwords, and I tokenized it. Here we are creating a frequency table to keep the score of each word, and also we are cleaning the stopwords here, and we are also counting the word amount, the word count. And for word in words, word count is increased, and word that lower if word in stopwords continue. If it's in frequency table, increment that value, and and if it's not, it's set to 1. We are using dictionary, so our key is the word as a string, and the value is the frequency count. It works like that. And here we're creating another dictionary to keep the score of each sentence. We're using the frequency of words to find the frequency of sentences. And also I implement logging for large files because we want to see how it's going, and counter 0 for sentences, for word in frequency, frequency table items. If word in sentence that lower, we are lowering the sentences. Counter, increase the counter. And if counter, this means for every 10 counter, print 1 for every 10 counter. We're printing loading and counter divided by word count, which gives us percentile. Yes, and we're finding the sentence frequency here. And we are summing these frequency of every sentence. We're summing it together because we're going to find the average of that value to use it as a threshold to decide if we should add that sentence to the summary. As you can see, for sentence in sentences, sentence in sentence value and sentence value sentences is over the thresh value, 1.2 multiplied by average, and we are adding that sentence to the summary. And here, this is the original text, this is the summary, 197 words summarized to 103 words, which makes 52% length of the original text. It changed from 50 to 60%. That's all. Thank you for listening.